Well, hi everybody. It is Saturday morning, and you know what that means.
Crafty Kids!
So, today we have a really fun project for you. We are going to be making handprint strawberries for National Strawberry Day,
Ooh.
which is today. I know. It's so
buy
much
some
fun.
strawberries.
We should definitely go get some strawberries,
Mm-hmm.
for sure. So, it's a very simple project. All we need for today is some red paint, we need some black paint or a black marker, and some construction paper, both to put the handprint on, and then I also have some green construction paper to cut out our stem and leaves.
Nice.
You can also do that with more paint. You could color those on with markers, however you want to do that, but I'm going to use construction paper. And then also, I would suggest for the paint having a paper plate where you can put the paint and an area that can get messy is also important. So, I'm gonna go ahead and mix up my paint, and then good little amount in there. And then, are you ready? This is really fun.
Oh, I'm ready. Sound effects
all sorts of
are necessary.
Yes, you must have sound effects.
Mm-hmm.
So we get our hand, oh yeah, really good and covered with that paint. And then what we're gonna do, and then keep in mind that whichever way you put your hand is actually going to be, you're gonna flip it over to make the strawberry. So I'm gonna put my hand right on here, ooh, mush it around a little bit. Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's our strawberry. Yeah, it might not look like a strawberry yet. What I'm also gonna do is paint in a little bit of the areas to fill in the hand, just a little bit for me. So now we get to do the second part, which is put in our seeds, our strawberry seeds.
Oh, yeah.
Right, so our next part is the black paint. So what you can do is you can put it on the plate again and use your brush to kind of dot the things in there. I'm just gonna use my finger, squeeze a little bit on there, and then we just put some little seeds around.
Oh, nice.
This little berry, yeah. So you can kind of look at a real strawberry if you want to see where they go, or you can just put them wherever your heart tells you that the seeds go. And that is just fine. All right, so there are my seeds, as you can see.
Very nice.
All right, so that is all done. We are done with our painting now. Just gonna wipe that off a little bit. And then all we have left to do is put our little stem and leaves on.
Yay.
So I'm just gonna cut out some leaves here. And strawberry leaves are pretty big compared to the fruit. So I'm making these leaves really enormous.
So what's your favorite way to eat strawberries?
Just
straight up eat
plain
strawberries?
old eat them right out of the thing. Yeah, after washing them, of course. I love strawberries. I love, oh my gosh, my mom used to make a, what we called strawberry pretzel cake. And it has pretzels on the bottom as like a crust. And then it has a cream cheese mixture in the middle. It's like cream cheese and whipped cream. And then there is a strawberry jello with actual whole strawberries in it on top. And that might not sound delicious, but let me tell you, it is yummy. It is so good. How about you, Mr. Ross? What is your favorite way to eat a strawberry?
You know, I like strawberries with honey.
Strawberries with honey. Very nice. Yeah. That could be a good breakfast too. Like on a piece of toast or something.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, that sounds great. So, of course, here are little leaves that we're just gluing on. Real simple. Ta-da.
Ta-da-da-da.
There you go. Ta-da!
Nice. Awesome.
And if you want to sign your artwork, there we go. There you go.
Very nice.
So these are really fun though. It's fun to kind of get your hands dirty a little bit and make some fruit. Maybe have some strawberries when you're done. You can even compare what they look like. If you wanted to actually try and paint a strawberry instead of using your hand, you could do that too. So many fun things to do though.
Be sure to wash your hands first though.
Definitely.
Before
wash
you
your
eat your
hands
strawberries.
in between paint and touching real strawberries for sure. Because while these paints are non-toxic, you don't want to ingest them.
They don't taste good.
No. So, then for next week, oh my goodness, this is going to be really fun. We are going to be making Tulle Tutus. I know, it's going to be so much fun.
Woo.
So what you'll need for that is a piece of ribbon that is long enough to go around the waist of the person that will be wearing the tutu. And you'll need some scissors, and you'll need tulle. Tulle you can get at craft stores, yeah, things like that. I would suggest 3 or 4 rolls, but if you get less than that, you can just make your tutu look however you want it to look. You can use as much or as little as you want, really. So it'll be a lot of fun, and looking forward to seeing you for that. And thanks so much for being here. Stay crafty. Hey, Mr. Ross, look what I made.
Oh, wow. That's so good.
Thank you. Thanks.
I guess we have to put this up on the refrigerator right away.
I mean, I think we should.
All right. Let's see. All right, Mr. Edison, you can help us hold this up.
Oh my gosh.
Ta-da!
If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe on YouTube.
And like and share on Facebook.
Help us share our crafts with as many kids as we can.
Thanks
everybody.
everybody.